Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your problem. So if just iPhone, no internet, when without Wi-Fi. So how you can also fix this problem. So now for fixing it, you just need to open the settings. In the settings you need to find here airplane mode, so just try to turn it on, wait a few seconds and just turn it off. And also you need to turn on cellular data. Here you need to check if you turn on cellular data, and also you can try to go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And the latest option you can try to update your phone. So just go to the general, just open software update, and if you see here available updates, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.